guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my first video. First, let me introduce myself. So my name is Maddy and I own a 302R Benelli and I'll be making vlogs on this bike. So here's a overview of my bike, 302R. So this is a 2019 variant of 302R. It's an inline 2-cylinder, 38.26 bhp and 26 meters of torque. Let's start the vlog. So let's start the vlog. So right now it is with the stock exhaust. And I just have a PMCA filter in it for some performance. It sounds very sweet. Actually, it sounds like a inline 3 or inline 4. It doesn't sound like an inline 2 cylinder. This is Maddy road. Actually, these roads are kind of empty over here, so I can make a vlog. I hope the sound quality is okay. I have no idea about motor vlogging as such right now. I'm just learning. We'll get an empty stretch to check the performance of this bike. The angle of the GoPro is fine and visible. I think so. So we are heading towards Pani beach, which is located in Maddy, close to Maddy, next to Bawa beach. And I don't want to make this video lengthy or something because it's my first video. I just want to introduce and show you a little bit of motor vlogging and stuff. So that's it. And in the future content, we'll be making videos on a lot of Superbikes. So this is Bawa beach. Afternoon time, it might be less crowdy at those times. That's why I chose this time to make the motor vlog today. So enjoy the view of Pani beach. Here we go. Oh, so there's some construction going on over here. today, I guess. पानी बहुत ज़्यादा है. I guess we should stop here and just give you an overview of my bike. Yeah, so here it is. 302R. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, you can follow me. So it's on the screen, as you can see. On Instagram I handle. So written over there too. It's Maddy Bawa _ I've got a tail tidy, 180 section tire, a Pube windscreen, and there's a night eye too installed. Let me show. The low beam of it. It's very bright and visible in the night. So here's the front look. Sounds pretty well too. So let me show you the sound of the bike. Here's stop. Sounds pretty smooth. And this is the only 300cc with the double disc on the front, and it has dual channel ABS too. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be posting more such content and vlogs and all, and I'll be making some reviews, some public reaction on this bike, and one more thing, and I'll be installing a long can on this bike. Right now it is just with the decat because I have to install the long can, so I just unplugged the exhaust. Yeah, so guys, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and thanks so much. Bye bye.